Hello, I'm Laurel Guy, and welcome to 365 Fenner Road in Lansing, New York. This is a recently built timber frame home that will last for generations, and it's on 79 acres of land. What a find! Timeless, peaceful, with over 72 acres of woods and trails and over 7 acres of tillable land ideal for hops, apple and hazelnut orchards, cannabis. It's low maintenance, energy efficient, super insulated with 3 levels of living space. Sit on the front porch and enjoy sightings of eagles, red-tailed hawks, and beautiful distant views. "20-foot ceilings, light space. This beautiful home is ideal for gatherings of all kinds because the whole main floor is open from the living room with the fieldstone fireplace, which flows directly into this gorgeous kitchen and dining area. This kitchen is perfect for cooking together, for having meals together. This is what home is meant to be. It's thoughtfully designed with quality finishes, and you can really live a life connected to nature because there are these wonderful outdoor living spaces. Upstairs is a second-floor loft that overlooks the main level, and there's a comfortable primary suite with vaulted ceilings, and it has a wonderful tile bath. Imagine soaking your cares away here. And the custom walnut vanity, well, it was built from wood sourced from the property. There are 2 more bedrooms and a tile bath on the second floor, and everywhere you look are views. The family room opens to the patio and your own private spa. The lower level has flexible space for offices, workout areas, and guests. Pole barn gives you all that extra space that you'll need. And there's a charging station for your electric vehicle, central AC, high-speed internet. And let's take a closer look at the pool. Yes, and the hot tub. 365 Fenner Road. It has everything you were hoping to find. There's no place like it.